in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can connect your calculator TI-84 and to your computer and be able to download apps or update your calculator if you need to, and other apps that the TI website can help you with. So the first step, we did a Google search on Texas Instrument calculator. And I'm going to click here where it says education.ti.com. Here it's going to show you guys the different calculators that the Texas Instrument provide. Do be aware that Texas Instruments is an engineering company, which they also provide other types of products. For example, right here when I went to ti.com, such products are amplifier, audios, clocks, interface, logic, sensors, and a bunch of other stuff. They have application in automobile, and communications, and so on. So as you guys can see, TI has a lot of things that engineer will need. So back to our calculator. So if you want to connect your calculator to your computer for whatever reason, most of the reason will probably be to either update your software of your calculator, or you want to download some new apps, you will need a program called TI Connect CE. Now this will work, and let's see, let me show you first. So we go to download, and then we're going to go to guidebooks-all products. Okay. And here I'm going to go to software, OS, updates, and apps. Click there. Here in Tech9, I'm going to select the 84 plus CE or any of your calculators, or any calculator you have there. Now just be aware that the TI Connect CE, I'm going to go to this one, and just going to, let's see, for now, I'm going to leave it all so we can see, so I can talk to you guys a little bit of all of them. Actually, it's already here, by the way. All right, it seems they already have it here. But for some reason, by the time you read this video, see this video, you don't see it here. You can just go to your TI-84 plus CE and click all. And you'll see it here. Okay. So either way, it's going to be there. Now the TICE software, just be aware that it only works for certain calculators, which in this case is the TI-84 Plus family. Okay. Notice that there's two of them, TI Connect software and the TI Connect CE software. In this tutorial, I'm going to be doing the TI Connect CE software. Again, they only were compatible with the TI-84. Unlike the TI Connect software, they're compatible with all the calculators. So let's go ahead and click, let's see, just to have a little bit of information. Here it goes. So as you guys can see, TI Connect, all the calculators the TI company provides, the TI Connect CE software is only the 84 plus family. Unfortunately, I don't remember what year it was, but the TI people pretty much decide to, and then notice that TI-84 has been pretty popular in the educational department, educational field, university and so on. So they decide pretty much to concentrate that the TI-84 will be their educational calculator. Hence, they decide to make this additional software to be more user-friendly for the student. As you guys can see, there's the guidebooks down here in different languages. Okay, I do recommend for you guys to download it and have at least have it on your hardware. So whenever you guys have can figure things out, just look at it, read it, or just comment below. Which, by the way, that reminds me, please don't forget to like my video, comment below, share it, and subscribe. Okay? And also in the description underneath, I put out some links of how you guys can of my other links of my other social media, other websites. Also, I have my PayPal account there, and also my Patreon account there for those who wants to get additional resources. And my Patreon account at this moment is still I'm still working on things, making things better, adding new things here and there. So do feel free to add comment below if you guys want me to add anything to that website of mine. Okay, and I say also if you subscribe for high school students, you guys gonna get a one-time free gift. Okay, all right. So back to this. So I'm gonna go to yeah. Okay, so we got so I said before, this difference. You can click here for more information, as you guys can see, and here I can also download. So let's go and download this puppy right here. Click download, and then as you guys can see, it sends me back here. So we're gonna do this one. The one that says, well, I have Windows, so I'm gonna use Windows EXE. Okay, so I'm gonna click that. We'll tell downloads down there. Click there. Yes. I'm gonna minimize this so I can see whatever's gonna be popping out here. I prefer to keep all these installation files as default, since most of these have other files that can, that can be compromised if you change the default download folder. Okay, so far this took around maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Would you like to install this device software? Always trust this company. Install. Okay. All right, it's done. I guess I'll click here or I'll click here. Okay. Okay. To be honest, last time I installed, which probably was like a three, not three, not 2 years ago, the downloading program was the downloading what do you call this interface was a little bit different. All right, so now we have it right here, TI Connect CE. I'm gonna go ahead and double click it. Now, before you double click it, which I should have mentioned this before, is you need to have your calculator already plugged in. So let me go ahead and get my cable for that. Before you guys open the file, be sure to have your TI-84 calculator already plugged and hooked up in the using the USB wire and on. Let's see. Help us improve this product by selecting the yes. Okay, I'll do that. I will do that. Okay, let's see now. So as you can see, it's already detecting the calculator. So if I click here, double click it. Let me make this bigger. Okay. So it's detecting the TI-84 calculator. See, press that to capture computer screen. Okay, so let me press here. And as you can see, it's capturing. I haven't written anything down. Let me go ahead and turn it off so you guys can see. I'm going to turn off the calculator so you guys can see what's happening. See, as you guys can see, the calculator is not there anymore. So I'm going to turn it back on again, the calculator, and it appears again. Let me type in the number 2525 and do a screenshot. And there goes the screenshot. Okay. Let's see, if you put your mouse over, it tells you right there what it's about. Select the screen capture to connect the calculator. So I can click here, and it tells me which images I can send to the calculator. Let's see. So I have 2 images, so I can send any of these to the calculator. So I'm gonna cancel for now because I don't want to. I just want to do a little brief introduction to this software. But yes, you can actually send images to the calculator. Now there's a limited size of pixels that you can send to the calculator. It cannot be too large. Unfortunately, I have I haven't found the number of pixels, but you can how big or how small the image needs to be. But definitely, if you take a picture using this software, like the one I have right now with I have the 2525, and I want to send it to, I don't know, to someone else calculator, this image will be acceptable. Okay. Let's see what else. If you go down here, let's see what this does. Okay, so this one explores the files of the calculator. So you have all these files in here. These are, let's see. These are, I believe these are applications. So down here, let me see, I'm looking for the stats. Let's see if they have this. What would the statistics be under? How many transformation? Oh yeah, in this calculator I have the periodic table, by the way. And yes, and other stuff. Let's see, and this one, what's this about? Oh, here is where you can actually program your calculator. The TI calculator uses the TI Basic or Basic. It's a basic old um, programming language, but it still works fine for text for calculator purposes. So here is where you can create your own programs and see other programs. So if you click new program, yeah, you can put the name of the program. Just be aware, whenever you name this program, it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I believe that's or 7, 8 available character spaces. And here's when you can go ahead and write down your programs. And so using the TI Basic language. Let's see. Uh, Also here, let's see what we have here. Here you can, your inputs and output. See, you can put an input, and here's what you can do any stats. So here are the commands. Here's where the commands are located. You can also type in some of these commands. Okay. I recommend, to be honest, if you are new to this, to use these to type in your commands and then type in whatever you want to appear there. Okay. Here is also, if you go to file, let's see, edit, view. Actually, let me click here. Oh, let me turn on my calculator. Sorry. Let me turn it on. Let's see, edit, view, action, send to calculator, import data. Here's where you can import data to like a spreadsheet, add files from calculator, caption screen, scale, remove screen border, send. All right, so here is where you can send. So if you have the operating system of the calculator and your computer, here is where you click it. You open wherever you have the operating system of the new one, the updated one, and your computer, just select it, open it, click, and it'll download to your computer so you can update your operating system. I'm sorry, download it to your calculator so you can update the operating system of your calculator. Then we have, of course, resources. Okay. All right. So this is a pretty handy program for those who have a TI calculator. I'm just going to click here to delete these things. Close here. No, thank you. And going back to the website, if you and then you might be asking, so the operating system of the calculator, what do you mean? Where can I find it? Well, if you go to product or download, go to guidebook and update. So right here where it says OS update, and sometime it might be over here because these are the recent ones. I just go here, go to TID 4 plus CE, utility apps, wait, utility, connected software. Oh no, handheld operating system. So here's the operating system. There's two of them. There's the OS and the apps bundle. I personally prefer this one because it brings you all the bundles. That's if you want to update the whole thing complete. But if you just want the operating system to be updated because and keep everything else the same or your apps the same, everything, just choose this one. Okay, and then once you click here, click here again, and as you can see down here, downloads, and that's where you can go ahead and using the program, the TI Connect CE. Using that, you can upload that to your calculator, and it will update your calculator operating system. Okay, so please don't forget again to comment below and subscribe and all that good stuff. So I can have some idea and see what you guys thought about this. And hopefully this wasn't too long. And yeah, and I hope you guys liked it. Again, don't forget to check out under the description of the video my other links and also my tutoring services. All right, bye. Thank you.